All right, guys. So, are you guys excited to see what a perfect entry looks like, and literally textbook? So, I'll put it to you like this. I know there's like a lot of stuff on the charts and stuff like that, but if anything, look through it. Okay, just look at price. All right. So, on the 4-hour chart, it needed to create a lower high. Okay, it needed to create a lower high. Because the last lower high that was created, it was right here. All right, so I put point A now here, point B at that wick. It needed to create a lower high. So I was in crazy profit when I woke up this morning, closed my eyes, looked at my phone again. And mind you, it's July 5th, all right, 2018. I looked at my phone again, 15 minutes later, crazy negative. I'm like, oh, all right. But I was like, okay, it's all right because it needed to create a lower high. So now I'm going to go to a lower time frame, right? This is, mind you, need to create a lower high on the 4-hour chart. So point A, point B, right? And then literally it dropped down to 50%. And I was like, okay, hopefully it just stays there. It kind of pushed down a little bit, right? Which is cool, but 61.8. And also it's literally at this supply and demand zone as well, right? 61.8. So I'm like, all right, so this is probably the furthest it's going to go. All right, so I closed some of the some of the orders I was already in profit in because I didn't know if it was going to keep on shooting down. All right, so now I'm going to go to a lower time frame for my entry. All right, being the fact that the price got to 61.8, perfect. Now I'm going to look for my entry. Right, so there was 2 opportunities. I didn't catch this one, right, but I caught this one. Freaking beautiful. So this green line right here, right, this green line right here is 61.8. Green line right there is 61.8 on that 4-hour time frame. On the 15-minute, what do you see happens? You see a bullish engulfing candle. I mean, a bullish candle engulfing a bearish candle. So a bullish engulfing pattern formed on the 15-minute. Because that formed and it closed on that 15-minute, I hopped in. Right. So my first entry was here, and my second entry was like here. Right. It was just a confirmation. And now all we're going to see is freaking blue, blue, blue. So where's my take profit? Now, understand, I got to know where I am in structure, where I am in the market. So on the daily time frame, which is freaking dope, on the daily time frame, it never created a lower high, right? Point A, point B, right? So let's just say, because we're going to look, okay, well, is this a lower high? This point right here, right? So point A, point B, right? No, it didn't. 38.2 would be a lower high. It didn't, right? I know it looks kind of like crazy, but this is my chart. All right. So point A, point B, right? And it didn't create one. So now my point A is here and my point B is down there, right? So I already have it drawn out. So point A, point B, 38.2. So this is where I believe the market is going to go, right? Or even right here. Why right here? Because this is exactly where price broke structure at this point right here, right? Went up, broke structure right here. And also, this is exactly at a weekly key level as well. You know, weekly key level, broke structure there, also exactly at 50%. You know what I mean? So I have a take profit right here and also a take profit right there. So probably price will go anywhere in this box right there. What I'm going to do is when I'm going to let one of my my trades close at 38.2. I'm going to let one close and I'm letting the other one just rock. And if it goes to 50%, if it doesn't, whatever. It's still mad pips. Let's see how many pips. All right, from where my specific entry is. All right, I'm going to do to the freaking T. My specific entry, the first one, all right, it's the higher time frame. All right, so my specific entry, keep on dragging it. So that's from that specific entry. That one is 350 pips, and to my high point, 500 on my dot. So it will be a blessing that, this analysis is on point, because, that'll show you that, like, listen, once you really know market structure and you really, start to understand the charts and stuff like that, like you can do whatever it is you want. You can do whatever it is you want in this world, man. So, I'm excited to be able to keep on helping people, keep on, showing people what's possible. And, I think, I'm thankful for Chris Terry, because Chris Terry, like, from that one webinar that I seen, like, I was like, wow, he, some good stuff. So I'm excited to keep on hearing him and stuff like that. And that's why, I'm a part of this company, because I can be able to be around traders and speak to traders on a daily basis. And that community is something that I believe is worth, the tiny amount of $150 a month. So if you have any questions or anything like that, write a comment. If you have any ideas for future videos, write a comment. If this helped you in any way, write a comment. Share this with your friends and family members, and if anything, it may help them out in the long run. So thank you very much for your time, and let's become an FX Pro now. And you know what's crazy? My first entry was all the way down here, and I got out like a punk. I don't even know why I got out, which is unfortunate, bro. I'd be up, even right here, 90 pips. At the high point, 151. I did catch from here to here, though. And I don't know if I caught anything else. But I know I caught from here to here, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, see you guys soon.